In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Webflow Navbar. Whether you're new to Webflow or looking to enhance your web design skills, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through customizing the Navbar, an essential component of most websites. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by opening your Webflow project. Once you're there, you can press the A key to reveal the Add panel. This panel is your gateway to adding various components to your page. From the Add panel, locate the Navbar component and simply drag it onto your page. This foundational step will lay the groundwork for the upcoming customizations. Now that the Navbar is on your page, we need to add some branding. Click on the Brand element within the Navbar. This will be the section where you'll insert your logo or brand name, giving your site a professional and cohesive look. If you have a logo image ready, now is the time to upload it. Alternatively, you can type out your brand's name if you prefer a text-based logo. Make sure to link the brand element to your home page, ensuring that visitors can easily navigate back to your main page with just a click. Next up, let's explore the drop-down functionality within the Navbar. Drop-downs offer a neat way to organize multiple links under a single menu item, saving space and decluttering your menu bar. To set this up, click on the drop-down option. From here, you can customize the menu items that'll appear when users hover over or click this drop-down. Once you've set up the drop-down, let's focus on the overwrite section of the Navbar. This section typically houses items that you may want to align differently compared to the rest of your Navbar, such as call to action buttons. Click on Overwrite to start making those adjustments, which will ensure that elements on your Navbar are perfectly balanced and fit the design aesthetic you're aiming for. It's important to keep track of what changes you've made, so click on Show. This option allows you to toggle the visibility of certain elements within the Navbar, ensuring that everything looks perfect prior to your final review. Now the final step is styling. Click on Style to customize the appearance of your Navbar. Here you can adjust colors, fonts, padding, and other stylistic elements to match your overall site design. As you spend time here, think about the branding elements you might want to incorporate, like your brand colors or typography, to give your site a unified look and feel. And there you have it. You've successfully used Webflow's Navbar component to enhance your website's design and functionality. Don't forget to preview your changes before going live to ensure everything looks just right. Thanks for watching and happy designing.